Welcome to Part 60 of Daily English. Today's situation. Transportation review. Let's review what you've learned in Unit 6. I'd like to go to the airport. Example. I'd like to go to the airport by taxi. Where's the nearest bus stop? Example. Where's the nearest bus stop, please? What time does the train leave? Example. What time does the next train leave? I'd like to check in. Example. I'd like to check in for my flight. I have a reservation. Example. I have a reservation at this hotel. How do I get to the museum? Example. How do I get to the museum from here? Turn left at the next intersection. Example. Turn left at the next intersection and go straight. I'd like to rent a car. Example. I'd like to rent a car for 2 days. I'd like to buy a ticket. Example. I'd like to buy a ticket for the concert. Mini conversation. Traveler, excuse me. I'd like to go to the airport. Where's the nearest bus stop? Local, go straight ahead. The bus stop is next to the train station. Traveler, thank you. What time does the next bus leave? Local, it leaves in 10 minutes. Have a safe trip. Traveler, thank you very much. Daily tip. Great job. You can now ask for transportation, buy tickets, travel by taxi, bus, train, and airplane, use GPS, rent a car, and ask for directions. Practice these expressions often to become more confident when traveling. Speaking challenge. Imagine you're traveling to another city. Take a taxi to the train station, buy a ticket, arrive at the airport, check in, then rent a car at your destination. Describe your journey using at least 10 sentences. Congratulations on finishing Unit 6. Subscribe for Unit 7. Continue learning English with AVETRA EDU.